with Arnab Goswami.
Began the news hour by saying that Mahendra Singh Dhoni can afford to lose one test, but the Prime Minister can't afford to lose the fight that's building up in Parliament. Have no doubt about it. The opposition has asked for voting under 184, and there are two options clearly. Let me welcome the panel. Sachin Pilot's joining us after a long time on the news hour tonight. Sachin, it's great to see you. Mr. Ajit Singh, Chief of the RLD, it's great to see you, sir. Vinod Mehta, thanks. And Chandan Mitra, thank you very much for coming back. Chandan Mitra, are you serious? As in, is the opposition serious on voting under 184? Or is this purely symbolic that somehow you use the price rise issue to scramble and get the opposition together? No matter how long, whether the unity will last or not, but you get them together because you want to embarrass the government on day one.
Well, Arnab, the fact is that almost in every session, the BJP has demanded discussion on inflation and other issues on Rule 184, which entails voting. And each time, the government has stonewalled. The government has been stonewalling all these months on the 184 demand, not because they were afraid of losing the government or government falling on the floor of the house. But this time I can understand, because there is a serious danger that even the Congress's allies may be tempted. I'm not saying that situation has not arisen, and the government will not be able to repeat a cash for votes if this happens again. I think the country is far too aware of what went on last time, and therefore they won't be able to repeat. So I think there is a very, very serious danger this time that the government will face a threat to its survival if there is voting. Well, I think for all that they have done, they must be ready for that threat, and let's see, let a fair debate take place and let fair voting take place. But I suspect the Congress will bring enough pressure to prevent a discussion under 184.
What will you do that, Sachin Pilot? Because if the government tries to avoid a debate on 184, you look on the defensive immediately.
I think what has just been said clearly outlines the intent of the opposition. It is not about being serious about the issue and giving some constructive ideas on how to tackle this issue of price rise or inflation or whatever it is. But the other fact is that under which rule what issue is to be discussed is unfortunately is not the domain of the main opposition party. It is the discretion and the decision of the Speaker of the House along with what the government wants to do. Now, I think we have stated many times that as a government of the day, we are happy to discuss, deliberate, threadbare any issue that any member of parliament, including the ones from the BJP, want to raise, whether it's terrorism, whether it's inflation, whether it's whatever the issue is, because I think the people of India deserve to have a healthy debate and discussion in the floor of the House. Now, two things I like to say. One is that unlike what you said earlier on, no, this is not about a fight. This is Parliament. This is about discussing. And no one here is enemies. We are all perhaps opposition parties with different ideologies. But the fact is that we all are elected to Parliament to discuss very important issues. And people of India have a right to know. We have in this current monsoon session 35 bills that have to be discussed and passed. There are 32 new bills that have to be introduced. So we have to make sure that the Parliament functions, but shouting and screaming like what happened today in the Rajya Sabha, what the BSP did, is very unfortunate. The first day of House had to be adjourned because of snowballing by the BSP MPs coming and shouting on the floor of the House in Rajya Sabha. So this is what, this acrimony I think is not accepted by the people, and we must respect what the sentiments of this country has in terms of how the Parliament should.
What Mr. Pilot has said, what Sachin Pilot has said, I'm sorry Arnab, is illogical. I mean, why not face a vote? What is Parliament there for? I mean, of course we are ready. We have said that we will fully cooperate with the government in fresh legislation. Now let us have a proper serious debate with voting. How many times are we going to debate inflation? Last monsoon session we did. Winter session did not happen at all because of the government's stubbornness. In the last budget session also we discussed inflation. A unanimous resolution was adopted on inflation. The government itself moved the resolution. We supported it unanimously. The inflation resolution was passed. How many times are we going to only debate? Now let us see. Let us hold the government accountable on the floor of the House, which can happen only through voting.
No, I want to ask Mr. Ajit Singh, if there's a vote, which way will you vote, Mr. Ajit Singh?
So first thing, let's remember inflation and price rise have been discussed many times.
And if I remember right, last year there was voting also on this issue. And therefore,
No, sir.
what
No, there was no
happens,
vote.
whether
No.
Speaker allows,
I'm not sure about
there
voting.
was a voting.
No.
There was a voting and all the opposition united. So we'll decide when it comes up, but the fact remains that on this issue, voting or non-voting doesn't matter that much.
No, you've clubbed together both issues. There are two issues, Mr. Ajit Singh. There is this
The
whole-
second is corruption.
The second is corruption.
Right. See, corruption issue, it's a very important issue today in public life, in public discourse. Corruption has become a major issue. Now, my only fear is that it may not end up as a tutu-meme match. We should concentrate more on the Lokpal bill, on the judicial accountability bill, on the whistleblowers bill, because these bills will really impact how we control corruption.
No, but why
Just
not?
discussing corruption,
Why not have
I'm
a-
very afraid.
Why not have a head-on
Yeah, discuss
debate?
it, but
Why not, Mr. Ajit Singh, have a head-on debate and have a head-on vote? The government can be sure of the
but you
numbers.
have a debate. See, what I'm saying is, yes, have a debate on it. But the real issues are how you control inflation. And I'm sure in this debate on corruption, only issue would be you did this and you did that. And you are corrupt and your
but
party is corrupt, your government in Karnataka is corrupt. So, yes, discuss it. But the main issues are, have some time to discuss the Lokpal bill, judicial accountability bill and the whistleblowers bill. Because these are the issues, these are the bills which will affect how you control or try to control corruption.
Vinod Mehta, what's the best option for the Prime Minister on this issue? Should he just clarify issues with the
Adnan.
Prime Minister? Should he deal with it, or should he go in for a vote?
No, I think the Speaker and all the parties will decide on the technicalities. But there is one thing I want to say, Arnab, that in your preamble to this discussion with Mr. Arun Jaitley and Sushma Swaraj, I found it very interesting that they were saying that the Prime Minister has vitiated the atmosphere for the debate. So it's all right for the BJP to attack the government. But if the government attacks the BJP, that means they vitiated the atmosphere. I mean, I was hoping that in Parliament we will have a vigorous, free debate, and whether there's voting or not, we'll see later. But both sides can attack each other simply. Why should the BJP start howling that the Prime Minister has said that they will attack the BJP?
No, because
If
in a
the
pre-
BJP
in a-
can attack the government, the
No, no,
government can attack the BJP.
It's a question is,
So
Mr.
what is the vitiation?
No, so question is this, therefore, Chandan Mitra, what Vinod Mehta is suggesting is this all a predetermined attack on the Prime Minister? I mean, look at what the BJP has been saying. Every statement, every news conference, every statement from the BJP is target Prime Minister, Prime Minister, Prime Minister. In fact, the BJP has said nothing about its favourites like Mr. Digvijay Singh for a long time. The simple and only target seems to be the Prime Minister. In this case,
I don't think he's important enough. I don't think Mr. Digvijay Singh, the kind of statements
fair
he
enough.
makes are only for television, and they cannot be taken seriously or don't
sure.
deserve
So let me ask
to
you
be replied
something.
to.
Let me
But-
ask you something. Had
Yeah,
the Prime
but
Minister
on
not
the
said...
question of the Prime Minister.
No, okay, so let me ask you something on the
Really?
Prime Minister. And then I'm coming back to Sachin
One thing,
Pilot.
yes, it's a
Question
Prime-
to the Prime Minister
Prime-
was, if, suppose
No,
at
but you see
yesterday's
the
meeting, suppose at yesterday's meeting, the Prime Minister had never said, we will also expose the opposition, which is what Sushma Swaraj says the Prime Minister said. If he had not said that, you would have not called for voting? Is the decision to call
No,
for
no,
voting a
that
result
is
of the
not the
Prime
issue
Minister's
at all.
statement?
No, please. Arnab, look at the sequence. Of course, with every passing day, the Prime Minister's culpability in the 2G spectrum scandal is becoming clearer and clearer. So much so, the government is so much in jitters that the PMO issues a clarification saying that Prime Minister wanted to stay at arm's length from the spectrum decision. Prime Minister has defended Mr. A. Raja on the floor of the House not once, not twice, but 3 times. The Prime Minister was in full knowledge of what happened. And after that, now suddenly says he wanted to
But
stay
PMO gave an
at
explanation
arm's length.
yesterday on that.
That's
Yes,
not
yes,
the
I mean,
issue,
but
Arnab.
fact is that he was hands-on. Arnab, let
Arnab.
me just complete this.
Okay,
just
Mr. Mehta,
want to
coming
point
to you, let
out-
him complete.
Arnab, let me
Yes.
just complete my point very
Yes.
briefly. You see, the responsibility for smoothly running the house, Mr. Sachin Pilot will agree with me, is primarily rests with the ruling party. Now, therefore, just the day before the house is to meet, and when there was no plan to disrupt, we wanted serious discussion. For the Prime Minister to make a combative statement like that was obviously, I mean, I'm just explaining to Mr. Vinod Mehta why the BJP reacted
No, so
strongly
what would
today.
have combative
I mean,
about
yeah,
this?
sure, you have...
No, what
you
would have changed had the Prime Minister not said that?
Chandan, what is
Yeah.
combative about a simple remark made by the Prime Minister that there are also skeletons in the cupboard of the BJP?
No, you
There
know-
are
you
enough
know, Vinod,
skeletons
very
in
well
Karnataka.
that-
So, and he also said,
that-
I will
that these
answer all
kind
the
of remarks-
questions. So why can't the
Now, these
BJP as
kind
a
of
party
remarks,
take it like
these
a
kind
man,
of-
take
no,
it on the
Vinod,
chin,
these
that
kind of
you can
remarks
dish it
made
out
by Congress
and you can also
spokespersons.
take it. I thought the Prime Minister's statement was
Arnab,
extremely mild.
It is
Extremely
not
mild
proper.
statement.
Prime Ministers don't make statements like this.
Why
Prime
is it-
Ministers
why
don't
is it
make
not
statements
proper?
like this.
If
It is
you can
okay.
attack the
It is
Prime
not
Minister, the
proper.
Prime Minister
It is not
can't
proper
attack
when
you.
the opposition
It's
is
improper
No,
for
approaching.
the Prime
but one
Minister to
second.
attack you.
Well, one second. What kind of shadow boxing is this? I'm going to Mr. Ajay. What kind of shadow boxing is this? Is this to suggest that I
There is no shadow
know
boxing.
that you have skeletons in your cupboard, but if you behave yourself in Parliament, I will let the skeletons stay untouched. But if you don't behave yourself in Parliament, then we'll bring out those skeletons. I mean, what? This is some
So
level
let
of
him
shadow
come out with
boxing.
the skeletons.
No, no,
Let
this
him come out.
This is shadow boxing. Ajit Singh wanted to come in. Sachin, I'm coming straight to you after.
Yeah,
that.
Arnab,
Yes.
Arnab, now you can see how the debate in Parliament will end up. I can see it in your debate. This is exactly how the Parliament will discuss the corruption issue.
No, but it's
Hello?
that's being a little unfair, Mr. Ajit Singh. The Parliament has to discuss
Mr.
the
Ajit Singh
corruption
is a
issue.
veteran. Mr. Ajit Singh is a veteran.
Yes,
He should
yes,
know
yes.
that whatever we say on TV studios, once the debate starts, the debates in the House are very, very constructive.
Okay, let's hope so. Let's hope so.
Jay Pandas joining us, coming to you, Jay, in a minute. Sachin Pilot. You know, there are certain issues on which, you know, image matters to the government. Now, my question to you is, your government, of which you are a minister, will be seen, Sachin, as shying away from a debate on corruption, under the fear that any resolution passed afterwards will be a huge embarrassment for the government. Can you afford to do that, given the popular mood in this country?
Let me say the following.
Yes.
Now, I've heard everyone say what they had to say. First of all, what Mr. Chandan Mitra has said about the Honorable Prime Minister, if he's trying to insinuate that allegations have been made against the Prime Minister of the day, I wish to state very clearly that he is in a minority of 1:1 billion. The people of this country know that Dr. Manmohan Singh is one person whose integrity, whose honesty cannot be questioned, and this he's proven beyond doubt. Now, what someone is saying in the court of law to defend himself, should we please judge that on a TV debate and in Parliament? I think not. We as a government are going ahead with introducing the strongest possible Lokpal bill in Parliament day after. We have made sure that every investigating agency is doing its job, and the people in the highest offices, if found guilty, have been taken to task. I think the proof is there for all of us to see. But to say whether the discussion should be held under 184 or 193, I think there are 40 parties in Parliament, and the NDA, of which Mr. Mitra's party is a member of, the NDA, is fast losing its allies. So for to say that only the Congress decides in the BAC, in the Business Advisory Group, what happens, committee is not true, because under what section the Speaker will take the discussion depends on a majority of view across parties. So we want to have a debate. Please come and discuss. Don't stall the House. Don't take it to ransom. And please, for God's sake, do not say that the Prime Minister is vitiating the atmosphere. Of everything that can be said about the Prime Minister, he's certainly not the one to vitiate any sort of atmosphere. He's the most gentle human being who has a lot of humility at his command, and he wants to make sure we have a healthy monsoon session. So please, as a responsible opposition, come forward, discuss, debate, give your inputs, make the country feel proud of you being a politician, and then let's take things forward, as opposed to on the eve of the monsoon session you come
but the
forward and
Prime
saying it's
Minister's
been
comment-
vitiated, now we're going to allege charges, we'll stall the
Prime-
House. I think that's unbecoming of a parliamentarian and the party that he represents.
No, but the Prime Minister's comments seem to indicate that he was raring to go for a debate in Parliament, because he said opposition too has many skeletons in its cupboard. We are not afraid of discussing any issue in
So let's
Parliament.
discuss it in the House.
No,
We will discuss it, whatever issue is being
Arnab,
raised.
Discuss
Arnab,
but not
we are
vote.
not afraid of skeletons in the cupboard.
Yes.
We are not afraid of skeletons in the cupboard because if the skeleton argument is taken further, there is a
Arnab.
whole graveyard full of skeletons in the Congress's kitty. There
Arnab.
are enough skeletons that will really fill a graveyard.
Arnab.
So we are not bothered with
Arnab,
this.
no.
The point
No,
is when the things were moving in a very disciplined and constructive
Arnab.
manner,
No, what-
where was the need? But
I-
let me tell you, that is not the reason why 184 is being demanded.
You are trying to
184
draw.
have
No, Mr.
accountability.
Chandan Mitra.
On inflation, the
Mr.
government
Mitra,
must be held
Mr. Mitra,
accountable.
Mr.
Yeah.
Mitra, Dr. Mitra, please don't mind it. I have the highest respect for you.